Good afternoon, Bicolanja. We are now on our fourth game this Saturday. Ang inaabangan pong laban para sa ating second round of elimination, it's the ACC Green Serpents versus the NCF Tigers. Kaya naman, kaabang-abang po ang magiging laban natin ngayong hapon na ito. And of course, doon sa ating first round of elimination, nakita na nga po natin yung pagtatapat nitong ating dalawang kupunan at nakuha nga po ng ating NCF Tigers yung kanilang panalo against the ACC Green Serpents. At ngayong hapon po titingnan natin kung babawiin nga ba ng ating ACC Green Serpents ang kanilang panalo ngayong hapon na to against the NCF Tigers. Kung kaya naman, kung team bahay po kayo, live na live po tayo sa ating Facebook pages, sa ating Oragon Sports TV, Bucal Facebook page, and One Media TV 48 Naga. And of course, kung gusto nyo din pong bumisita dito para mapanood po ng live ang napakagandang aksyon ng ating dalawang kupunan, dito lang po yan sa ating Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. Kaya wag na po kayo magpapahuli dahil napakaganda po ng laban na ating mapapanood ngayong hapon na ito. And of course po, para sa ating team live, yung mga gusto magpa-shoutout dyan, babasahin po natin yan maya-maya. And of course, sa ating mga sponsors na patuloy po tayo nagpapasalamat, maraming salamat po. And of course, in just a few minutes, mag-start na po itong ating pang-apat na laban ngayong hapon na ito. It's the ACC Green Serpents versus the NCF Tigers, kung saan nga nakita natin yung mga past na laban nitong ating NCF Tigers at ACC Green Serpents, kung saan itong ating NCF Tigers hindi pa nga nakakatikim ng kanilang talo. Kaya napakaganda talaga nung record ngayon ng hawak ng ating NCF Tigers. While on the other side, itong ating ACC Green Serpents, hinihintay na lang natin kung ngayon ba magbabounce back sila against their rival team, the NCF Tigers. At ngayon po, ina-announce na nga po natin ang ating first five para sa ating dalawang kupunan. Now, these are the starting lineup of the Amando Cope College Green Serpents and the Naga College Foundation. At ngayong hapon, ano kaya yung ipapakita ng ACC Green Serpents para makabawi dun sa talo na nakuha nila against the NCF Tigers? At para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from their side, let's hear it from Casey. Hi Casey, any updates?
The hard court is about to set to a battlefield where only the strongest will rise. A blazing afternoon tin and to our viewers across the region. We're in for a thrilling matchup as the ACC Green Serpents go head-to-head with the NCF Cubs. Two teams hungry for victory are about to clash on the hard court. During an interview, Coach Roland mentioned that the Green Serpents are doubling down on defense and focusing on locking down their opponent. But will the Green Serpents strike or will the Cubs stand their ground? Stay tuned for an action-packed game right here on One Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV. This is your courtside correspondent, Casey Anchoquia, bringing you all the live updates from the sideline of ACC Green Serpents. This is Bucal Season 6, where future rise. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey. Ayan nga, itong ating ACC Green Serpents, magpo-focus sila doon sa kanilang depensa against the NCF Tigers dahil alam naman natin na itong ating NCF Tigers talagang lumulusot doon sa mga depensa ng kanilang mga kalaban. At napakaganda nung pinapakita nila doon sa kanilang mga past games. Of course, doon sa last pa lang nilang laban, Vargas and Borromeo step up for their team. At ngayong hapon, titignan natin kung ano pa rin gagawin ng ating NCF Tigers. And to hear an update all the way from their side, let's hear it from Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong balita natin dyan?
Good afternoon, Teen, and to all our basketball fans who are watching us live via One Media, TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV. We are now on the fourth game today, NCF Cubs versus the ACC Green Serpents. I am Kyla Casulia at ako po ang inyong makakasama on the side of the NCF Tigers. As we approach the playoffs, the NCF Cubs are still undefeated and they will go head-to-head with the defending champion, the ACC Green Serpents, for the second round of elimination. According to Coach Alwin, they focus on their lapses, especially last game against the Panthers. Everyday training pa rin nga ang kanilang ginagawa. He continues to remind the team na huwag sayangin lahat ng pinagpaguran simulang sa umpisa. Pagpatuloy ang magandang performance na simulan at laging mag-stick sa kanilang sistema. Yan muna ang update for now. Back to you.
Thank you so much, Kyla. Ayan nga, kahit walang talo itong ating NCF Tigers, talagang hindi nagiging complacent itong kupunan ng mga Tigre. Kung kaya sa kada laro nila, nakikita talaga natin yung magandang depensa as well as the offense. So now we are starting our first quarter. First basket para sa side ng ating NCF Tigers coming from Vargas. Now chance for the ACC Green Serpents to get their first basket sa ating first quarter. Now, jersey number 14, passes to 17, heavily guarded here. With 10 seconds to shoot. Ano kayang gagawin dito ng ACC? Tries for 3, no good. Now on the run na naman itong si Vargas. Didiretso, passes to Diamante. No good on that one. Sayang yung communication dito ng ating dalawang players ng NCF Tigers. But poor execution on that one. Now, tries again for 3. No good for the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Diamante again with the ball on the inside. Pero grabe yung depensa dito ni Madrona na talagang since Season 5 nakita na natin yung napakagandang laro nitong si Madrona. And ilang beses siya naging best player of the game during our Season 5. But now, dahil baguhan yung mga players ng ating ACC Green Serpents, medyo mahirap na magkaroon agad ng chemistry itong mga players natin na up until now parang tinatrabaho pa rin itong ating Green Serpents. But now let's see, as this is the ball possession of the ACC, pero naubusan ng oras. 24 seconds violation on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Low scoring tayo dito pagpatak ng ating 8 minutes sa ating first quarter. Now it's the ball possession of the NCF Tigers. Borromeo now with the ball. 20 seconds to shoot here. Heavily guarded. Ito na yung defense ng sinasabi dito sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Vargas for a fadeaway shot. That's good. Talagang mapagkakatiwalaan ito si Vargas when it comes to offense as well as the defense. Now chance for the ACC still. 0-0 run na sila dito sa ating first quarter. Didiretso Diamante. Passes now to Supin, getting that ball. Now 6 points straight coming from the side of the NCF Tigers. What will the ACC Green Serpents do at this moment? Jersey number 17 now. What will he do? Passes to Madrona. But that's a traveling violation. Yung kailangan bawasan ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Daming turnover na nangyayari sa kanilang side. And up until now, nahihirapan sila para makakuha ng kanilang unang basket sa ating first quarter. Now, it's the NCF's basketball. Sutpi now, team captain, to inbound. Jacob. Passes to Vargas with 15 seconds to shoot here. Good pass. Galing dito kay Jacob to Loria na isa talaga sa mga specialty nitong ating NCF Tigers when it comes to their communication. And with that, a timeout was called on the side of the NCF Tigers. Now 8-0, nothing run po ang hawak ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers. Napakagandang simula po para sa kanilang side. At kung makikita natin, medyo nahihirapan nga itong ating ACC Green Serpents para makuha yung bola sa side ng ating NCF Tigers dahil grabe din yung gwardya dyan sa baba ng NCF Tigers. And on that last sequence, Loria, yung bola galing pa kay Jacob. Napakagandang komunikasyon between the players of the NCF Tigers. At dahil nga dyan, nakuha nga nila yung puntos na 8. At yung ating ACC Green Serpents hanggang ngayon naghahabol pa rin at wala pang puntos dito sa ating 6 minutes and 54 seconds remaining on our first quarter. Now back to the ball game. After this timeout, ano kaya yung mangyayari sa side ng ating NCF Tigers and sa ating ACC Green Serpents? Ano kaya yung magandang plano na ginawa dito ng coach ng ACC Green Serpents? Pero Vargas, after that timeout, agad-agad naman nakakuha ulit ng puntos para dito sa mga Tigre. And another steal. Pero backcourt violation on the side of the NCF Tigers. Sayang yon para sa kanila. Pero ngayon, napakalaki na ng kalamangan nila against the ACC Green Serpents. 10-point lead. Now ACC. Nakikilaban dito sa ating NCF Tigers. Butata. Now ball possession of the NCF Tigers. Madrona getting that steal. Now, makakuha na kaya ng unang basket itong ating ACC Green Serpents. Here's number 7, Vargas. No good on that 3. Offensive rebound. A whistle foul there. Now, Mayor to inbound. A whistle foul again, but this time, meron ng free throw na igagawad dito kay jersey number 7, Vargas of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, it's their chance to have a basket here. Mabutas na yung ring dito ng ACC, and that's good for them. At least hinto nila yung medyo madugong 10 puntos na nagawa ng NCF Tigers doon sa pagsimula ng ating first quarter. 6 minutes and 10. Vargas again for his second free throw. That's good, 2 on 2. Now Vargas on the other side. NCF passes to Borromeo. Papasok sa loob. Napakaganda nun. And we've seen this many times from the side of the NCF Tigers, Borromeo. Doon sa kanilang mga past games talagang kaya naman tinanghal siyang best player of the game with that tactics. But that's an 8 seconds violation on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Ang dami nang nagagawang turnover dito sa side ng ACC. Back to 10-point lead for our first quarter. Borromeo to inbound. NCF in and out ball. And that's good for Jacob. A second chance point for the side of the NCF Tigers. Ito yung maganda sa kanila na hindi nila agad-agad binibirawan yung bola. And kung hindi man makapasok, talagang agaran na mayroong mag-rebound dyan sa baba to get that basket. But this time, a foul was whistled on the side of the NCF Tigers. So another free throw was given to the side of the ACC. At dahil nga we're halfway through our first quarter, shoutout naman natin sina Dave Guianan, Carmelo Gravata, Elisa Rodriguez Parafina, Reggie Santa Rosa at kay Mel. Pati na rin kay Jethro Valbaredo na nanonood sa atin ngayong hapon na ito. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagantabay. Now jersey number 17, Bongon. 5 minutes and 28 seconds. That's good for his second free throw. Still struggling itong ating ACC Green Serpents. Diretso, Borromeo getting that ball easily. Grabe, flawless yung galaw nitong si Borromeo. Napakagaan nung kanyang mga tira dito. Now, ACC, what will they do? Jersey number 60 passes on the inside, but another turnover was committed here. At yung puntos nga na meron ngayon ng ating ACC Green Serpents, galing pa yan sa mga foul na nagawa nitong ating NCF Tigers. So, let's still see what will be the plan of the ACC Green Serpents. Madrona on the inside, getting that ball. Naibaba na lamang sa 11 points sa kalamangan dito ng ating NCF Tigers. Sakop. Turnover. Four minutes and 39 seconds remaining on our first quarter. Now, ACC. Ball possession, jersey number 16. Heavily guarded here by the Tigers. Bongon going inside, no good. NCF with that height advantage. Now Supin. Yelintana yung mga guardia doon. Passes to Vargas for 3. That's good. a flawless 3-point shot coming from Vargas. Ngayon, buhay na buhay talaga yung ating NCF Tigers. Ikaw naman, walang talo during the elimination round of our Bucal Season 6. Talagang maganda yung kanilang pinapakita dito with their rival team, the ACC Green Serpents. Now, the ball will go on the side of the Green Serpents. Minutes and 54 seconds. Napakabilis lang po ng ating oras. 5:19. 14-point lead of the NCF Tigers. Now it's the ACC's basketball. 5 puntos pa lang ang nagagawa nila dito sa ating first quarter. Jersey number 10 now. Iblugin. Now it's still the ball possession of the ACC as Mayor will inbound the ball. Pero whistled foul there. "14 seconds on the shot clock on the side of the ACC. Iblugin. Passes now to Madrona. Regarded here by Ike. 5 seconds to shoot. Madrona loses that ball. Now, 5:19 on our scoreboard. 3 minutes and 28 seconds remaining. And 14 points pa rin yung hawak ng ating NCF Tigers. And at this moment, hindi pa rin natin nakikita yung full potential ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Pero naubusan nga dyan ng shot clock itong ating ACC Green Serpents. And again, another wasted opportunity for their side. Now NCF's basketball. Mayo to inbound. Passes here to Iblugin. 10 seconds to shoot for the ACC. Going inside, a whistled foul. Iblugin on the free throw line. That's good. Ito na lang yung kailangan gawin ng ating ACC Green Serpents na yung kanilang mga free throw at talagang siguraduhin na makakapasok so that it will add on their point. Because as we can see now, they're still struggling here before we end our first quarter. Now, heavily guarded here. Ike passes to Murillo. Murillo to Borromeo. 8 seconds to shoot here. Back to Murillo, tries for 3. That's good! The first 3-point shot coming from the NCF Tigers. Ito talaga yung mga opensa at shooting itong ating NCF Tigers. Talaga namang kailangan mong bantayan dahil hindi mo alam. Napakaganda ng mga kanilang plano dito sa ating first quarter. And still, itong ating ACC Green Serpents nahihirapan na habulin yung napakalaking kalamangan ng NCF Tigers. 16-point lead. Now let's see on that quick replay. Murillo, 3-point shot. Napakaganda dito. Nadagdagan yung napakalaking kalamangan ng ating NCF Tigers. Iblugin getting that free throw. NCF Tigers. Murillo again with the ball. Going inside. Passes here to Borromeo. Borromeo to Murillo. No good on that mid-range jumper. Now ACC, will they get this? Ayan, courtesy dito kay jersey number 17. Bongon. No. Timeout was called here. 10-22, 12-point lead coming from the side of the NCF Tigers. We only have 2 minutes and 23 seconds remaining. At ayan nga po, shoutout tayo dito kay Ryan Andrew C. Dazal Benito, kay Julian S. Mundo, at kay Jason Rin Luna Blanche. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagantabay. And of course sa ating mga sponsors sa Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, BMEG Alagang number 1, Ateneo de Naga University, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Department of Agriculture, Bucal, Duty Free Philippines, shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph, Aman Engineering Enterprise, rebuild to last, and Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. Now we are back on the ball game. Still a comfortable 12-point lead coming from the side of the NCF Tigers. Now let's see what will be the changes on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, hook. Romeo. Penalty na itong ating NCF Tigers. Napaparami ng foul yung kanilang nagagawa dito. Now, Ike. But a whistled foul. Now, Romeo. 14 seconds to shoot here. Murillo cutting that 3-point shot. Ito na po yung kanyang pangalawang 3 points dito sa ating first quarter. At talagang buhay na buhay yung mga players dito ng ating NCF Tigers na nagkakaagawan pa ng bola between 2 players sa the ACC Green Serpents. And after that coalition, a turnover and a chance for the NCF Tigers. Now, Ike, 20 seconds to shoot here. Passes now to Romeo. Ike, what will he do now? Passes to Murillo, mainit-init para dito sa ating first quarter. Romeo, papawig, getting a 3-point shot here. Nagpapulan po ng 3 itong ating NCF Tigers. Now, another replay here. What a good 3-point shot coming from Romeo. Long 3 para sa kanya. Now, itong ating ACC. 18 na po ang kanilang kailangang habulin dito sa ating first quarter. Now, Madrona. Long 2, no good. Kakagawa ng bola dito, but I will go on the side of the NCF Tigers. Nagmamadali dito, Jacob to Ike. Now Murillo again for 3. This time, hindi na nga yan uubra. One player of the NCF Tigers is now down on the other side of the court. We only have 56 seconds remaining on our first quarter of this heated game against the rival team ACC and NCF. Madrona gets that ball. 16 seconds to shoot. Mayor passes on the inside, but still para dito sa mga Tigre. Ike passes on the corner. No good. Now chance here for the ACC. What will they do now? Madrona passes to jersey number 17 on the corner for 3. No good. Offensive rebound. Jersey number 18, Mayor. May hawak niya ng bola for the ACC side. Madrona ngayon titira. A lot of opportunities here for the ACC side. Mayor to Madrona, getting inside. After nung maraming opportunity na ibigay doon sa ating ACC Green Serpents, still hindi sila nakakuha dito ng puntos. Now we only have 2 seconds starting first quarter. 10:28 ng NCF's basketball. Murillo to Borromeo. Pero natapos na nga po dyan ang ating first quarter. 10-28 in favor of the NCF Tigers. Napakagandang aksyon, pero babalikan po natin yan sa ating second quarter only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back for our second quarter of the game of the NCF Tigers versus the ACC Green Serpents. At doon nga sa ating first quarter, kitang-kita naman kung gaano ka-agresibo itong ating NCF Tigers, getting that big 18-point lead against the ACC Green Serpents. And now as we are going to start our second quarter, what will be the adjustment on both teams? On the side of the ACC Green Serpents, still struggling on getting that point, while on the other side, the NCF Tigers, napakaganda ng performance. All of the players talagang gumagalaw dito sa kanilang side. So meron bang pagbabago ang meron tayong makikita dito sa ating second quarter? Let's see as Madrona gets that ball. Pass to jersey number 17, long two. No good. An early turnover for the side of the ACC Green Serpents. At CF, ACC, patuloy yung pagdurugo ng puntos dito sa ating second quarter. Now ACC nagmamadali dito on the inside, no good. With that defense of the NCF Tigers, nahihirapan talagang pumasok itong ating mga players ng ACC Green Serpents. Na ito na nga yung unang gustong gawin ni coach ng Green Serpents na talagang pag-igihan yung kanilang depensa dito. Ngayon nakalaban nila yung NCF Tigers. So let's see as Madrona gets that ball on the side of the ACC. 12 seconds to shoot here. Madrona for 3, that's good. First 3 points coming from the side of the ACC, pero tatanungin natin kung ano yung update sa side ng ating NCF Tigers. Para pakinggan yan, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you so much, Dean. We are now on the second quarter of this matchup. During the huddle, the coaches commended their effort because they poured out a lot of efforts to gain the momentum. Their everyday training and consistency really helps them to be consistent in their play. Coaches reminds them na basahin palagi ang depensa ng kalaban at laging mag-stick sa depensa na siniset ni Coach Alwin. They are reminded na pag nakakahabol ang opponent, they should not be pressured about it. While the momentum continues on the side of the NCF Cubs, yan ang ating dapat abangan at tutukan only here at 1 Media TV 48 Naga o Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to you, TV.
Thank you so much, Carla. Yan nga, still consistent yung larong ibinibigay sa atin ng ating NCF Tigers, na kahit doon sa mga huli nating laro na nakita itong ating NCF Tigers, talagang kung opensa, kung depensa. At napakaganda nun sa side ng ating NCF Tigers na ngayon ay talagang determinado sila na makuha yung kanilang kampyonato ngayong season ng Bucal na to. But on the other side, the defending champion, ACC Green Serpents, still struggling to get a point here against the NCF Tigers. At nasabi nga natin kanina na mga baguhan itong ating ACC Green Serpents. Kaya naman for our second quarter, what will be the adjustment? Let's hear it from Casey. Hi Casey, any updates?
The ACC Green Serpents faced early struggles during the first quarter, falling behind as NCF took the lead. Heading into the second quarter, the Green Serpents will focus on slowing things down and focusing on playing smart basketball to lessen the gap in the score. Yan muna ang updates ngayon. Balik sa'yo, Tin.
Thank you so much, Casey. Ayan na, itong ating ACC Green Serpents talagang determinado pa rin para maibaba yung kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers. And we're here to witness that. Because as we all know, the ACC Green Serpents, hindi rin talaga papatalo dito. Ngayon pa na yung kanilang katapat, yung kanilang nakalaban during the finals of our Bucal Season 5. So this is a good fight between these two teams. And doon nga sa ating last na mga laro, itong ating ACC Green Serpents, hindi nga natin nakitaan ng consistency sa kanilang mga laro. We have Madrona na talaga namang isa sa mga key players ng ACC Green Serpents, pero hindi pa tayo nakakakita ng ibang players na nag-step up para dito sa ating Green Serpents. But let's see, dahil hindi pa nga tapos yung laban ng ating elimination round. At dahil po dyan, pasalamatan lang din natin ng ating live viewers. Shoutout dito kay Ma'am Kyla Galpo, Dang Nual Miranda, Jenny Glada, kay Kate Ashley Detisio at kay Allen Pelias. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now that's a traveling violation committed on the side of the NCF Tigers. So a chance here for the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, a miscommunication on the side of the ACC. Mayor, hindi nakuha dito ni Barsaga yung bola ng ACC Green Serpents na ito yung kailangan number 1 para sa team ng ACC Green Serpents, magkaroon ng magandang communication so that they can really have a good play here na nakukulangan pa rin tayong makita na present on the other side. And after that second chance point coming from the side of the NCF Tigers, Diamante, talagang bigay todo dito para sa side ng ating NCF Tigers. And a good steal here, Ike Di Diretso. Basket count with a foul here. At last sequence, Ike. Kahit medyo mas malaki sa kanya dito si Alicando, hindi alintana sa kanya na pumasok sa loob at makuha yung puntos at meron pang bonus free throw dito para mas mapalaki pa yung kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng NCF Tigers. Now Ike on the free throw line for a bonus free throw. That's good. Now, ACC, 15-33, 18-point lead here. Pass to Madrona. Madrona ngayon on the inside. Whistled foul. Belardo on the free throw line for 2 shots. Second free throw, no good. NCF, Ike. 13 seconds to shoot here. Romeo. Supin. Getting inside. Napakaganda nun. Tatlo yung bantay sa loob pero flawless na ginawa ni Supin. yung ganong layup. Now ACC, pero still from the side of the NCF Tigers. Diamante getting that. Another steal from the side of the NCF Tigers. Now, medyo kumalma na yung laro dito ng NCF. And the whistle foul there. 15-37. Diamante on the free throw line. 15-37. 4 minutes and 48 seconds remaining dito sa ating first half. That's good. Now let's see on the second basket of Diamante. No good in that one. Supin getting that rebound. Chance again here for the NCF Tigers. It's 10 seconds to shoot here. Ike. Supin, pero a steal. The ball will stay on the side of the NCF Tigers. No NCF, Ike with the ball. That's a traveling violation committed on their side. Steal. Pero agad naman na turnover dun sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Now Mayor. Passes on the outside para dito kay jersey number 11 Aringo. Madrona getting that. At naubusan na nga ng 24 seconds violation, but another steal on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Aringo passes on the inside, pero hindi pa rin nakukuha dito yung momentum ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Hindi yun ito yung inaasahan natin na mapapanood natin dito. But still, both teams giving their best here. 3 minutes and 52 seconds remaining na lamang dito sa ating first half. And still, 15-38 pa po ang ating puntos. With the NCF Tigers on the lead. Now, NCF passes to Madrona. Madrona, 4-on-1. Pero andyan si Serrano for that second chance point here for the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, less than 4 minutes on our time for our first half. Tigers still on the lead here now, Borromeo. What's it foul? He will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. Batiin din natin ang mga nanonood sa atin ng live kay Alvins Madrilejos, kay Carlos Jeffrey Sarquilla, kay Joshua Rodrigueza, at kay Roy Berot na nagpapabati ng happy birthday kay Gabriel Labrador. Yan, happy birthday po and happy watching dito sa ating matchup of the ACC Green Serpents and the NCF Tigers. Now Borromeo on his second free throw. 17-39. 2-on-2 para dito sa ating NCF Tigers. ACC, what will they do now? Medyo malapit na tayo sa pagtapos ng ating first half, but still, the ACC couldn't get their momentum here. A lot of opportunities, pero naibibigay nila yan sa side ng NCF Tigers. Stepping on the line for the side of the ACC Green Serpents, so turnover muli para dito sa NCF Tigers. 17-40. Now, Delovieres, bagong pasok. No good in that one. Ito yung mahirap kapag mga bago yung mga players ng isang team. Tulad na lamang itong ating ACC Green Serpents na parang nagkakapaan pa itong communication and yung depensa nitong mga players ng ating ACC Green Serpents. And I think kailangan na nilang ma-figure out on how will they do this now na malapit na tayo sa pagtatapos ng ating elimination round. Pero on the other side, the NCF Tigers, ini-enjoy pa rin yung napakalaking kalabangan na nagawa nila dito simula ng first quarter. Shoutout din kay Coach Ams Dira Reyes, kay Am Lobsan na nagpapa-shoutout ng happy birthday sa kanyang anak po na si Gabriel Santiago. And kay Jim Clarence Lopez and pahabol pa ni Coach Ams. Shoutout daw sa mga campers ng My Game Basketball Training Camp dyan sa Daraga, Albay. Maraming salamat po sa pag-antabay sa ating live coverage and of course sa pagsuporta nitong ating ACC Green Serpents and NCF Tigers. Na Borromeo again on the free throw line, 17-41. 2 minutes and 37 remaining. Substitution on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Vidal now to inbound. Mayor to Vidal. A steal from the side of the NCF Borromeo. No good. Now chance here for the ACC. Madrona on the run. Di diretso sa loob. That's good. Ito yung hinahanap ng ACC Green Serpents na mga galawan nito nga kanilang mga players. Now, Santiago. To De La Vieras now to Vargas. They only have 15 seconds to shoot. Vargas papasok. Getting that point. Parang hindi na sa atin to bago Itong ating NCF Tigers nakakakuha ng mga puntos dun sa mahihirap na sitwasyon against the ACC Green Serpents. Now, still no good on the side of the ACC. Pero nagkakaagawan ng bola dito. A minute and 47 seconds remaining. 19-44. Napatawag nga ng timeout yung ating NCF Tigers on that last penalty na nga itong ating ACC Green Serpents at kung makikita po ninyo yung performance dito ng ating NCF Tigers, kung ano yung pinakita nila during the first day of the Bucal Season 6, hanggang ngayon consistent pa rin sila sa pagpakita ng gilas dito at napakaganda ng improvement nitong ating NCF Tigers. Talaga namang naging swabe yung mga galawan, naging magaan yung kanilang mga pasahan. And on the other side, the ACC Green Serpents, ito yung hinihintay pa natin na mag-step up para dito sa ating liga ng Bucal Season 6 dahil nga kung fan na po kayo ng ating Bucal at napanood nyo po yung kanilang laro during the Bucal Season 5, isa to sa team na kinatatakutan dito sa ating Juniors Division, yung ating ACC Green Serpents, kung kaya nga na uwi nila yung kanilang kampyonato against the NCF Tigers. So let's see if there will be a change of momentum here after this timeout. Will the ACC Green Serpents finally makukuha na yung kanilang momentum dito sa ating first half? We only have a minute and 47 seconds. Now we are back on the ball game. 19-44. Big gap from the NCF Tigers. Now it's a ball possession pa ng mga Tigre. Supi now to inbound passes to Ike. Ike, 20 seconds to shoot here. A minute and 36 seconds remaining. Penalty na itong ating ACC Green Serpents. Santiago on the free throw line. No good in that first attempt. Now we will try again for the second time. That's good. Fans of the NCF still cheering for their team. While yung ating mga fans ng ACC Green Serpents nandyan sa live. At shoutout sa mga fans ng ACC Green Serpents na patuloy pa rin sumusuporta dito sa ating ACC. Now it's their basketball. A minute and 20 seconds remaining. Now jersey number 5. Or number 9 rather. Passes to jersey number 17. That's a good 3-point shot coming from the side of the ACC. Kailangan lang nila maging consistent dito. Another whistle foul was called. 58 seconds remaining para sa ating first half. And still the NCF Tigers. Big cup yung kanilang hawak dito. IK. That's good for his first free throw. Down for the second time. In and out goal. Chance here para sa ating ACC Green Serpents. A steal from the side of the NCF. One pass, a fake shot, and getting that ball. Grabe, napakaganda nung momentum dun sa side ng ating NCF Tigers. And alam kong feel ng ating mga live viewers sa ating Facebook pages yung ganda ng laban natin ngayong hapon. Kaya shoutout kay John Michael Salas Mingo, kay James Sintos Nuwada, na nagpapashoutout ng happy birthday kay Gab, kay Gio Paulo Sabio, as in kay Angelo Villagracia na nanonood sa atin ngayong hapon na to. Na jersey number 17, Bongon on the free throw line. Offensive rebound. Madrona now with the ball. Last 34 seconds of our timeout, or of our first half, rather. Going inside, passes here, loses that ball. NCF steals. Vargas. No good. 16 seconds to shoot para dito sa ating second quarter. Here's number 9. What will he do now? 6 seconds. No good. Chance for the NCF. And that's it po. Diyan po nagtatapos ang ating first half. 23-50, 27-point lead ang hawak ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers. We will be back for more actions only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
For the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and CM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate. Join us and be one of CAS.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, bitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence and service with us.
Eyes on the target because it is time.
And we are back for our second half of the game of the NCF Tigers versus the ACC Green Serpents. And after doon sa ating first half, nakita talaga natin na yung ganda ng laro dito ng ating NCF Tigers. But let's see what will be the adjustment of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, maganda yung bunga dito ng laro ng NCF Tigers sa pagsimula ng ating third quarter. 23-50 on our scoreboard. And doon sa turnovers nga natin, medyo napadami itong ating ACC Green Serpents na I think nag-cause talaga nung malaking gap na meron sila ngayon against the NCF Tigers na pagpasok ng third quarter, ito yung kailangan nilang baguhin, ito yung kailangan nilang gawin, step up, less turnovers for this quarter. And also, dito sa ating mga offensive rebounds, medyo madami dito sa side ng ACC Green Serpents pero hindi nila nagagawa ng magandang execution na kahit meron o mas madami yung kanilang offensive rebounds, nahihirapan pa rin silang maipababa yung puntos na meron ng ating NCF Tigers. But let's see, hindi pa naman po tapos ang ating laban nitong NCF and ACC. Baka meron pang pagbabago. The ACC will bounce back on our third quarter. And itong ating NCF Tigers, titignan natin kung patuloy-tuloy ba, magiging consistent pa sila sa larong ipinapakita nila. Now, Green Serpents, Madrona, fires for 3, no good. Now, rebound from the side of the NCF Tigers, but a steal para dito sa Green Serpents. Ito na nga ata yung start para dito sa kanilang side. That 2 points coming from jersey number 17, Bongon, ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Now, NCF on the run here. 12 seconds to shoot. Hindi ka nang mawala yung bola dito ni Kamens. And the steal now. Galing dito kay Madrona. Sayang, hindi niya na na-execute ng tama yun. NCF on the run. Vargas, quick 3. The foul. So he will be on the free throw line for 3 shots after that foul. Vargas now on the free throw line. At bago tayo magsimula o magpatuloy ng laban na ito, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors, Bigs, Elite Sportswear, and HJP Pawn Shop. At ngayon nga, aalamin natin kung anong update sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents para sa pagpasok ng ating third quarter. Alamin natin yan through Casey. Hi Casey, any updates?
Thank you, Tin. As we head into the third quarter, the ACC Green Serpents are still trailing behind NCF Cubs. But they're not backing down just yet. As per their strategy, they will play man-to-man to tighten up their defense and to put pressure on the Cubs. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey. Still, itong ating ACC Green Serpents naghahanap pa rin dito ng butas on the side of the NCF Tigers at paano nila yun na-execute. And now, the only thing that they can do is to really work with their defense as well as their offense. Dahil kung makikita natin, doon sa defense na ipinapakita ng ating Green Serpents, nakakalusot pa rin ang mga players ng ating NCF Tigers na hanggang ngayon nahihirapan pa rin silang humabol sa puntos na meron. At para makarinig naman tayo ng update all the way from the other side, let's hear it from Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong balita natin dyan?
Thank you so much, Dean. We are now on the second halftime of this matchup. Patuloy pa rin nga ang magandang performance na ipinapakita ng NCF Cubs. Malaki man ang kalamangan nila against the opponent. They should not be complacent and still they should double their effort for them to continue the momentum. Coach Alwin continues to remind them na huwag pabayaan ang kanilang teammates at laging dapat nakaalala. Huwag agad tapo ng bola at dapat maging maingat sa kanilang babasahan. Dapat maging sureball ang kanilang bawat galaw. Doblehin pa ang sipag sa natitirang 20 minutes ng kanilang matchup. That's it for now. Manatiling nakatutok only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to you, team.
Thank you so much, Kyla. Napakaganda ng mindset dito sa side ng NCF Tigers dahil kahit medyo malaki na yung kalamangan na hawak nila, hindi sila humihinto na gumawa ng magandang offense at malapader na depensa against the ACC Green Serpents. And napakaganda din nung ginagawa nila all throughout this quarter and all throughout this game na itong ating NCF Tigers talagang binibigyan nila ng pagkakataon itong lahat ng players na maipakita yung kanilang mga laro. And also, napakaganda din kasi hindi sila nagmamadali And kung makikita nyo din po, yung mga fast break nila, talagang sigurado papasok para dito sa side ng ating NCF Tigers. Now, no good on that 3-point attempt of Madrona. Now time for the NCF Tigers to widen this gap, 25-58. 33 big points. Another turnover. Ito pa lang yung sinasabi natin kanina na bawasan yung turnover sa side ng ACC Green Serpents dahil napakalaki na nga nung nagagawang permission ng mga turnovers na i-record dito sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Now, Madrona. Guarded here. Now passes on his teammate. Jersey number 18 to 12. Serrano. Para dito kay Bongon. That's good for a big 3. Ito yung kailangan nila ngayon. Be consistent with their offense as well as the defense. Ball will stay on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Six minutes and 17 seconds remaining on our third quarter. Madrona, 2-point shot here. At least ngayon, Umaabante na itong ating ACC Green Serpents. A good start for our third quarter. Now let's see if they will be consistent here. Gloria nasa baba, passes to another. Villaruel getting that point. Now a foul was whistled here to Cummins. Maaga nga yung mga foul dito sa dalawang kupunan natin. 5 minutes and 48 seconds remaining. Now, Mayor. Pass to Madrona. No good. Nagmamadali, Vargas. Napakaganda. Up until now, hindi napapagod itong mga Tigre na patuloy lang sa paggawa ng napakagandang opensa. Well, on the other side, ACC. Sayang yon between Serrano and Mayor. But Madrona was there for a second chance point. And at this moment, kailangan lang nila paunti-unting mabawasan yung kalapangan dito ng NCF Tigers. Vargas, libreng-libre. ACC, 32-64. 32-point lead here. Bongon. No good. Delikado kapag nasa NCF Tigers na yung bola. Siguradong may gagawin silang napakagandang play dito. Borromeo. With 10 seconds to shoot here. Going inside. Borromeo. Still consistent during the first quarter up until now. We're halfway through our third quarter rather. Pero whistle foul there. Now will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. Mga nanonood sa atin ng live, shoutout kay Ma'am Janjan Basales, Sir Jameson Brenya, Sir James Angelo Gabada, Sir Kim Monteroso, kay Ma'am Marniala Berido, kay Sir JM Jacob, kay Sir RJ Rebedorial, kay Ma'am Irene Tosok, at kay Lay Ann. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now, it's still the ACC's basketball. Madrona going inside, passes on the corner. One hand para dito kay jersey number 9. Barsaga. Now NCF. Ike. Passes here to Vargas. Long 3. No good. Paunti-unti na nabubuhayan itong ating ACC. Turnover. Kailangan lang talagang dahan-dahan na yung gagawin na opensa at depensa dito ng ACC Green Serpents. At yung kada ball possession na meron sila, kailangan tagang panghawakan nila ng mabuti to create a good point here and to lessen that big gap against the NCF Tigers. ACC's basketball. Mayor passes now to Barsaga. No good on that one. Offensive rebound on their side. Pero steal from the NCF. And after that, NCF nga yung makakakuha ng possession. Shoutout naman dito kay Cynthia M. Nilneri ng Noel Miranda na nagpapabati po ng advance happy birthday kay Tiffany Louise ng UST Legazpi. Bukas po ang kanyang birthday. Happy birthday po. At kay Sofia Bianca Moto, kay Julaine Esmundo, at kay Kate Ashley Tisho. Maraming salamat po na nanonood pa doon sa Santo Domingo. 35-68. 2 minutes and 55 seconds remaining on our third quarter. Ball will stay on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. napatawag nga ng timeout. 35-68, we only have 2 minutes and 51 seconds remaining. At this point, medyo napakalaki na nung kalamangan na meron ng ating NCF Tigers. At malapit na rin pong matapos ang ating third quarter. So yung last chance na lang dito para mas maipababa pa yung puntos ng NCF Tigers at yung kalamangan nila is yung ating fourth quarter na sa tingin ko medyo may hirapan itong ating ACC Green Serpents. Pero walang imposible dahil another 10 minutes will be given on the both sides to really showcase their skills inside the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. And of course, grabe din yung supported ng NCF community na nandito nanonood ng live sa loob ng ating gymnasium. And of course, sa mga fans din po ng ating ACC Green Serpents na talagang comment lang ng comment dito sa ating Facebook live coverage. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now, we are back on the ball game. It's the ACC's basketball. Mayor to inbound. 15 seconds to shoot here on their shot clock. Passes to jersey number 19, Bedlando. No good. But he will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. No good. Para dun sa kanyang unang free throw attempt. Let's see on the second one as Bilardo. That's good. Now it's the NCS basketball. Murillo back on the court. 2 minutes and 39 seconds remaining. Ike ngayon may hawak ng bola. Passes here to jersey number 15, Jacob. Good communication, Borromeo. Or I think that's jersey number 15. 15 seconds to shoot here. Madrona. Two minutes and 9 seconds remaining. Napakabilis lang ng oras natin sa ating third quarter. Jacob to inbound. Bagong pasok dito. Santiago, jersey number 7. Now Jacob passes to Ike. Full shot clock here. Jacob passes on the inside. Now guarded by the ACC's players. Now loses it. Steal from the side of the Green Serpents. Nagmamadali dito. Pero butata. $18 seconds to shoot on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Both teams are now on the penalty. Now heavily guarded on the inside. Loses that. 14 seconds. 36-17. Big gap here. Now, steal from the side of the NCF Tigers. Murillo nagmamadali dito. At nakakuha nga yung layup na yan. Adding that point, 72-36. A minute and 30 seconds remaining on our third quarter. Now, Iblugin. On the inside, babawi naman dito sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents. What will they do now with that big gap? NCF Tigers consistently giving their all here. Murillo. Passes to Ike. 9 seconds to shoot. Going inside, pero nabitin pa doon. Defensive rebound dito. Pass on the outside. Murillo. Mid-range jumper. No good. Pero naubusan na dyan ng oras itong ating NCF Tigers. Last 58 seconds of our third quarter. Let's see. 38-72. ACC's basketball. Now jersey number 17, Pongon, passes to Iblogin. Now on the corner, tries for 3. Still no good. Offensive rebound from the side of the ACC, pero butata pa dito. Ball will stay on the side of the Green Serpents. Wala pa rin para dito sa ating Green Serpents. 36 seconds. Aike nagmamadali dito. Another layup. A whistled foul. seconds. 38-72. Aike now won the free throw line for 2 shots here. First basket was good. Let's see on the second attempt of Aike. Aike now. No good in that second attempt, but an offensive rebound. Still no good on their side. Now ACC with 20 seconds on their time. Passes on the other side. Mayor. Too long on that one, pero Iblogin makukuha yung bola on the X side. Gandang ball rotation on that last sequence coming from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Murillo with only 5 seconds remaining. Passes to Jacob. Jacob now going inside on the corner. Murillo. Pero naubusan na ng oras dito sa ating third quarter. 40-73, 33-point lead coming from the side of the NCF Tigers. And we will be back for the fourth and last quarter of the game. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kompyo. Back for the fourth and last quarter of the matchup of the ACC Green Serpents versus the NCF Tigers. And as we can see now on our scoreboard, 40-73. Big 33-point lead coming from the NCF Tigers. And now, let's see if the ACC Green Serpents babawi dito sa pagpasok ng ating last quarter. Murillo, NCF's basketball. Pero, traveling violation, an early turnover para dito sa ating NCF Tigers. Medyo malaki yung kalamangan na hawak dito ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers. So, malaki din yung advantage nila during this last quarter. At sabi nga dito ni coach ng NCFA, kahit medyo malaki yung hawak nila, hindi sila naging complacent dito. Talagang binibigay nila yung lahat-lahat nila, whether napakalaki ng kalamangan o maliit na kalamangan, ginagawa nila to get a point here and have a good offense and defense for this game. Now, ACC, jersey number 18, Mayor. Passes now to Ibligin. 12 seconds on their shot clock. Bongon, may hawak niya ng bola. Passes on the corner for 3, that's good! A good comeback for the ACC Green Serpents at ito yung kailangan nila ngayon. 3-point shots, a good defense, as well as an offense. And they can really lessen this gap against the NCF Tigers. Dahil nga itong ating NCF Tigers, patuloy-tuloy yung kanilang pag-arangkada ng kanilang laro against the ACC Green Serpents. 43-73. 30-point lead na lamang hawak dito ng ating NCF Tigers. And to hear an update. Pero babalikan natin yung ating courtside reporter. Pero as of the moment, a turnover here para dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents. At babalikan nga natin si Kyla para sa update on the side of the NCF Tigers. Let's hear it, Kyla.
So much din. We are now on the last quarter of this matchup at patuloy pa rin nga ang baglamang ng NCF Cubs against the defending champion, the ACC Junior Green Serpents. Patuloy man ang kalamangan, ngunit patuloy pa rin silang pinapaalalahanan ng kanilang turnovers na dapat bawasan for this quarter. They are reminded by their individual role inside the court. They should stick on the last play that Coach Alwin has set for a victorious win today. Coach Alwin's last reminder, they should pour out everything, bigay na lahat, and always bring the heart of a Tiger. Yan muna ang update for now. Manatiling nakatutok only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyan. Back to you, Chief.
Thank you so much, Kyla. Ayan nga dito sa side ng ating NCF Tigers. Itong ating NCF Tigers nga, kahit nga medyo malaki yung kalamangan na hawak nila against the ACC Green Serpents, talagang patuloy yung pag-remind sa kanila ng kanilang mga turnover na naging cost din ng pagbigay ng oportunidad dito sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Pero as of now, 43-75 on our scoreboard. Another point was given on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. At para makarinig tayo na update all the way from the side of the Green Serpents, let's hear it from Casey. Hi Casey, any updates?
Thank you, Tin. For the final quarter, the Green Serpents plan to stay aggressive on defense while pacing the offense with controlled and smart ball movement. They will rely on well-executed screens to open up shooting opportunities and attack the basket. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey. Ayan, hanggang ngayon dito sa ating fourth quarter, talagang binibigyan na pansin pa rin itong ating ACC Green Serpents yung kanilang opensa as well as defense. And now, 7 minutes and 14 seconds remaining on our fourth and last quarter of the game. Still consistent itong ating NCF Tigers sa kanilang laro against the ACC Green Serpents. Now 15 seconds to shoot. Mayor now with the ball. Heavily guarded here from the NCF side. Ibligin tries for a dip 3, no good. Offensive rebound, Ibligin. Pero naubusan ng shot clock. And now it's the NCF's basketball. 6 minutes and 55 seconds remaining. 45-77. Siyempre, shoutout din naman tayo dito kina Jay Casco, Mac Jared Kikim at kay Julie Aguirre Shelo na nanonood sa atin ngayong hapon ito. Happy watching po. Now it's 45-77. Big gap here. And we're halfway through our final quarter. At hawak ko rin po ng NCF Tigers yung napakalaking kalamangan na yan. ACC, Bongon, passes. Jersey number 15, now Madrona. Ganda sana nung mga intention itong ating ACC Green Serpents, pero hindi naging maganda yung kanilang execution dito. Mayor again, pass to Serrano. Serrano, big man on the side of the ACC Green Serpents, getting that ball. Still a 30-point lead here Medyo malaki-laking trabaho yung kailangan gawin ng ACC Green Serpents. Now it's the ACC's basketball. Mayor passes to Madrona. 14 seconds to shoot here. Madrona heavily guarded here. Passes on jersey number 11. Hindi ka na mawala. 17, no good. Diamante was there to secure that ball. Murillo now. Taking up their time here. Offensive foul was given to Murillo. Five minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Halfway through our final quarter. Now ACC's basketball. Madrona. Madrona heavily guarded here still from Borromeo. Pero block by Madrona. Hindi niya hinayaan doon na makuha yung ganun kadali yung puntos. Now, NCF for 3. No good. Pero attempt coming from Borromeo. And with that, napatawag na nga ng timeout. 47-79, 5 minutes and 3 seconds remaining. Magbabalik po kami. Now we are back on the ball game. 47-79, 5 minutes and 3 seconds remaining on our matchup of the ACC Green Serpents and the NCF Tigers. Now ACC. Madrona. Regarded here by Borromeo, getting that. That's good. Napakaganda nun coming from Madrona. Now it's the NCF's basketball. So P now with the ball. 18 seconds to shoot on their side. 30-point lead here. Supine passes now to Borromeo. 10 seconds to shoot on their side. Loses it. Good comeback for the NCF. Supine tries for 3. No good. But Murillo was there. Or Santiago, I mean. Now. A good 3-point shot coming from Madrona. Ngayon, gising na gising itong si Madrona para sa ating fourth quarter na kailangan nila. 52-79. Ngayon, after this time out, ito yung kailangan nila. Consistency. Dahil sunod-sunod na yung pagpuntos dito ni Madrona. After this time out, kailangan pa rin natin na makita yung hindi lang si Madrona yung gumagalaw dito sa side ng ACC Green Serpents, kundi lahat ng players. Para naman makita natin yung connection between the players. Now, shoutout tayo kay Jameson Brenya, kay John Basales, kay Cristina Valenzuela at sa lahat po na nanonood. Four minutes and 2 seconds remaining. It's the NCF's basketball. You know. We're now down on the 4-minute mark of the game. Murillo passes now to Jamonte. Now to Bromeo, loses it. But a foul was whistled here to Madrona. Sutpin to inbound. 14 seconds on the shot clock here. Passes to Jamonte, back to Sutpin. Got a violation here. ACC's basketball. Ngayon, passes now to Madrona. To Bongon. No communication between the players here. 52-79. 3 minutes and 31 seconds remaining para sa matchup po ng ating ACC Green Serpents at NCF Tigers. Now, Ike. Back on the ball game, pass to Jamonte. Loses it. Ball will go on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now ACC Bongon. Nasa kabila pa lang pero matindi na yung bantay dito ng mga NCF players. Rice. No good. Madrona, offensive rebound. Rice for 3. Now it's the NCF's basketball. Vargas. 2 minutes and 52 seconds remaining on our ball game. Now, Ike. Going inside. Hindi ka na mawala yung bola. Now passes here to Vargas. 6 seconds. Now a steal from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. And a good assist coming from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Villavieras now. 2 minutes and 19 seconds remaining. We're just waiting for the confirmation here. Vargas passes on the inside. Pero wala dong tao. So that will be a turnover. And the timeout was called on the side of the NCF Tigers. 54-79. 2 minutes and 9 seconds remaining. Shoutout tayo sa ating live viewers sa ating Facebook Live. Shoutout kay Jillian Magadia, kay Karen K. Escaro at kay Erica Diliman na nanonood sa atin ngayon. Of course, sa ating mga sponsors. Maraming pong salamat sa ating Skytech Advertising, owned and managed by Mac Mendoza. Universidad de Sta Isabel, Lamon Residences, Nagayan Travel and Tours. Maraming salamat po. And shoutout din tayo dito sa ating mga VIPs na nanonood dito. Last 2 minutes and 9 seconds. It's the ACC's basketball. Now, Madrona. Dala-dala yung ACC Green Serpents. Napakalaki ng ambag niya sa larong ito against the NCF Tigers na nagkakaagawan pa ng bola. Now, abangan niyo po yung ating last game ngayong hapon na ito. It's the Ateneo de Naga University versus the University of Nueva Cáceres Juniors Division. And the timeout again was called here. 1 minute and 54 seconds remaining. At ngayon sa natitira nating oras, hinihintay na lang natin dahil napakalaki na nga yung kalamangan na meron dito ang ating NCF Tigers. So the only thing that the ACC Green Serpents can do right now is to lessen that gap. But let's see with this last 1 minute and 54 seconds. Now we are back on the ball game. Now, jersey number 15, Barsaga to inbound. Pass to Mayor. 7 seconds to shoot. Madrona. A whistled foul. He will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. Madrona, first attempt on the free throw line. No good. Minute and 47 seconds remaining. That's good for his second attempt. Now it's the NCF's basketball. Let's see. Still consistent on their game here. Now, Ike or 13 seconds to shoot here. NCF Tigers. Passes now to De Los Vieres to Vargas. Vargas ngayon. Nahirapan dito and steal from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Madrona. Passes to Mayor. Mayor ngayon may hawak ng bola. Pass again to Madrona with 14 seconds to shoot. What will they do now? Madrona taking up their time here. The passes here to Bongon. No good. The time for the NCF Tigers. Last 56 seconds remaining. Now it's the NCF's basketball. Ike. 50 seconds remaining on our final quarter. Serrano. Ball will stay on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Serrano on the free throw line. "44 seconds remaining." That's good para sa kanyang pangalawa on that free throw line. Now, Ike with that ball. Heavily guarded here. Passes on the corner. 29 seconds remaining. Vargas may hawak ngayon ng bola. On the corner, De Los Vieres, in and out ball. Offensive rebound para dito kay sa dulo. Now, Madrona was down for the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Last 20 seconds of the game, 56-81. And I think in just a few seconds, finally going to say that the NCF still undefeated para dito sa ating second round of elimination. And on that last sequence, kung makikita ninyo, now, ACC just taking up their time here because as we all know, NCF Tigers gets that win against the undefeated or against the ACC Green Serpents. Napakagandang laban, napakagandang laro coming from the side of the NCF Tigers. Consistency is the key for their team. At sa ating pong pagbabalik, makikilala na natin ang ating best player of the game. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Empower the next generation of engineers. The Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
malakas at protektadong manok. Unahin ang kalusugan. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence and service with us.
Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
Our best player of the game is brought to you by Naga College Foundation, home of the champion, leap into the future. At Dugong Tigre nga ang nangibabaw for this game. At ang ating best player of the game is the former team captain and now the star players of the NCF Cubs. Is none other than jersey number 12 with 20 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists, and 2 steals. Is none other than RD Vargas. Hello RD, grabe. What a game against the ACC Green Serpents. RD, matanong lang kita, ano ba yung naging motivation mo for this game? Kasi grabe, kitang-kita namin kung gaano mo ginalingan for this game.
Ano lang po, sabi lang po kasi sa amin ni Coach na huwag magpakampante kahit na natalo na po namin yun sa first round. Dapat higitan pa po namin yun.
RD, last season, grabe yung struggle nyo din against the defending champion. Matanong lang kita, gaano nakatulong yung pagkatalo nyo last season para bumawi talaga kayo ngayon at maipanalo ang 2 games against the ACC Green Serpent?
Yun po ang naging motivation po sa amin para mas pagigihan po namin sa ensayo. Saka kailangan po kasi seryoso kami sa training para pagdating po sa laro, may apply po namin.
And RD, matanong ko lang dahil sabay-sabay din ngayon ang schedule nyo sa pag-aaral, sa games, sa training. Matanong lang kita, as a student athlete, paano mo ba nababalance ang pag-aaral, ang pagtitraining at ang paglalaro ng basketball?
Ano lang po, pag umaga, pasok. Pag katapos, pagkagabi, training. Kasi alam mo.
RD, dahil ikaw ang ating best player of the game, batiin mo na gusto mong batiin.
Binabati ko sila mama, kasi sila papa nanonood sa laro ko lagi. Saka good luck sa kapatid ko na naglalaro sa Manila. Saka salamat din po sa mga sumusuporta sa amin, lalo na kay Boss Mario sa mga coaches sa NCF community.
Thank you so much and congratulations. There you have it. That is number 13 of the Naga College Foundation Junior Cubs, RD Vargas. This has been your courtside reporter, Kayla Casulia. Back to you, team.
And that's the best player of the game, jersey number 12, RD Vargas with 20 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists, and 2 steals. Napakaganda po ng laro nila against the ACC Green Serpents. At mamaya po for our last game, it's the UNC Greyhounds versus the Ateneo Golden Knights, only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.